Hello, this is Dr. Manasi Kulkarni Khasnis, and with me today is Dr. Satyajit Pawar, who is MD in Internal Medicine and DM in Medical Oncology from AIIMS Delhi. Some of his area of specializations are cancer screening, cancer prevention and cancer therapy. We are going to converse with him about the lung cancer regime and what are his thoughts about some of the current detection methods and lung cancer awareness in population today. Welcome, Dr. Satyajit. So to start with, Dr. Satyajit, can you tell me about what inspired you to be a medical oncologist?
So I always wanted to be a doctor, and my interest was always in medicine. There are only a few branches in medicine which are as encompassing as oncology. And of those branches, oncology was one of the branches which I chose, because looking at the current development in field of oncology, the whole area has changed, or the whole treatment has so much evolved that we are curing more and more patients, which was not the case last 20 years.
Right.
So this basically gives us a new hope or new way to help our patients.
I remember in my childhood when my father used to take me to an oncologist, OPD. There used to be very few oncologists in Pune back then, and the field was not very well popular at that time as well. But then, do you think it's the number of patients that are increasing that's increasing the demand for oncology as well in doctors as well?
Yes. So if we compare 10 years ago, the number of cancer cases have almost doubled. We are detecting cancer cases earlier, which were initially not diagnosed, because initially we were not able to find a cause for death or cause for any illness. But now we are able to find that it's probably due to cancer, and we are getting more number of cases, as well as we are able to treat them better.
I see.
The treatment patterns have evolved, and so that patients are living longer.
Right. So what I'm hearing here is that there are three things that have changed in the current, last decade. Is that there are number of patients are increasing, but due to advancements in technology, we are able to detect cancer early. We have newer developments in the technology with which we can treat patients, and because we can detect cancers in a better way, we know the cause of death very properly. With this, we'll sign off for this episode, and we'll see you in the next episode with a lot more interesting facts and figures from Dr. Pawar. Thank you.